Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video, I'm here to talk to you guys about how to propagate your peperomia. Okay, so right here is my peperomia watermelon, and there are various peperomia types, and maybe I will actually make a video of the different peperomias that I have, but they are one of the easiest plants to propagate. Okay, so all you need is actually a leaf, kind of like the begonia, and I will show you guys the different propagated plants that I've had from the peperomia. Okay, so all you need to do basically to propagate a peperomia is grab one of the leaf, okay, cut it from the stem right there, or even get a leaf and just cut across it. Oh, here, cut across it, and then pop it in sphagnum moss, okay, and then see how you go. Now, to increase your likelihood of ensuring that that plant actually grows much more faster than expected, then you can actually put them in a small kind of greenhouse, kind of like this. I'll take this off actually so I can show you the peperomias that's propagating in here. All right, so right here in my propagation box, I've got several peperomias growing there. So I've got some watermelon peperomias. I've got some of them growing already right there. Okay, hope you guys can see that. I've also got some Peperomia Moonlight, Peperomia turboensis, and they are just growing in their own phase. Okay, so basically some of them I've pretty much popped the whole stem. Oh, sorry, I can't pull that off. So that one's a whole leaf, but some of them, honestly, like, maybe I'll just go closer so you guys can see. So this one is literally just a piece of like leaf cutting, okay, and as you guys can see, there has actually grown different plants already. So how awesome is that? From the leaf veins of the plant, it can actually grow more plants. So that's just how you do it. Oh, and right there at the very front that you can see, that one is actually a Peperomia turboensis, and this is just the top half of that leaf that I cut off previously. So it's just really nice and easy how to propagate these, okay? Sometimes they can take a while to actually grow, especially during cold season, but I will just encourage you guys to just be patient. The other thing is, if you are going to put them in a small greenhouse like this, just make sure that you open that at least 2 to 3 or even 4 times a week, especially during warmer seasons, just because your propagation box might then develop fungus. Okay, so I've treated this with a fungus spray, plus usually sphagnum moss is actually quite sterile, so there's usually no fungus spores that's gonna get in there. So this one's been growing quite nicely. Okay, so that's that. I want to show you guys something else. Let me just put this away. All right, now another propagation pot that I have here is just literally sphagnum moss with different cuttings from peperomias. Okay, so again, I've got a Peperomia Moonlight turboensis. I've got I think a watermelon somewhere over there. Okay, and I just popped them straight into sphagnum moss, and it started growing new plants right there. Okay, so how awesome is that? All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. So that's the best way of how you can propagate peperomias. If you guys have any questions, please jot them down in the comments down below. I know that you guys probably have other ways of how to propagate peperomias, but this is the easiest way that I've found. If you found this video useful, then please click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please click that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.